Today, we've got the inside scoop on the highly anticipated iPhone SE 4. And let me tell you, it's brewing up some excitement. So grab your go-to snack, kick back, and let's delve into the top 5 anticipated changes that are set to make waves in the upcoming iPhone SE 4. First off, let's talk design. The current iPhone SE has been rocking a look that dates back to the iPhone 6 in 2014. But hold on to your hats, because the SE 4 is rumored to get a facelift. We're saying goodbye to the old-school design and embracing the all-screen vibes of the iPhone X from 2017. And those sharper edges? Well, they're taking cues from the sleek iPhone 12, giving the SE 4 its own unique identity. Now, if you've been a fan of Touch ID, brace yourself. It's making way for Face ID. No more fingerprint scans. Instead, we're looking at facial recognition taking center stage. And about that controversial notch, it's here to stay. But hey, it does give the SE a more modern look. Moving on to the next big change, the Action button. This feature made its debut on the iPhone 15 Pro, and now it seems like it's making its way to the iPhone SE 4. If this leak holds true, it's a smart move by Apple to keep the user experience consistent across all iPhone models. Now, let's talk ports. Goodbye Lightning cable. Hello USB-C. With the European Union pushing for standardized chargers, it's a safe bet that the iPhone SE 4 will be joining the USB-C club. For budget-conscious consumers, this means no need to splurge on new chargers. A win-win, right? Last but not least, under the hood, we're expecting the powerhouse A16 Bionic chip to run the show. Following the trend of the SE lineup, it looks like Apple is sticking to the formula of matching the latest flagship iPhone's processor. So get ready for some serious performance on the SE 4. And there you have it, the top 5 changes we're buzzing about for the iPhone SE 4. What are your thoughts on these potential upgrades? Drop your comments down below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tech goodness.